Caldwell 1 Minute Out. I want to talk to you about gun lights, specifically gun lights like undergun lights that attach to your pistol. You know, the new Walther, the PDP, has the Picatinny rail or the 1913 rail, whatever you want to call it, underneath here that is built into the gun. So it makes it nice because we can go ahead and attach a gun light onto this frame here. Now, a couple different options that I have here are by Surefire. One of them is more of a screw type, so you would tighten that screw down and that's what would bite onto the rail system here. This one is kind of my favorite, and what I like is they just have a spring-loaded clip, so when I pull down on that clip, it will ride in here into the rail system. So I just pull down, I slide it back to where I want it, and then let go, and it bites into the rail perfectly. Now, one thing that this light does have on it, similar to this one, is I have the pressure pad, actually dual system. So I have the pressure pad option here to illuminate my light, or you have the rocker switch for more of a constant on. So depending on your hand position, right, when I grip the pistol, I complete my grip and I push the pistol out, I can just squeeze, right? So I've got my middle finger here that once I squeeze, now the gun light comes on. Or you can take your non-firing thumb, and when I push that up into that position where it would normally be along the side of my slide, I've got that rocker switch right there by my thumb. So then I could push down on the switch and give it more of that constant on light, so that I don't have to mess around with the pressure pad at all. So you got two different options on this Surefire light, but the mounting solution for me with that spring switch right here just makes it a lot easier to get the light on and off. You know, another option that's out there is, and this is how most of them come, this is the battery cap that you get that is just the spring switch here for that constant on. You know, you want to buy that separately, will be the pressure pad, so that you have a dual solution. You know, for me, when I'm running this, obviously you want to make sure that you've got a holster. So C&G Holsters has a full line of different holsters that will adapt for your gun light, but make sure that you buy for the gun light that you have. There's a few different manufacturers out there that make them. So whichever gun light you end up going with, make sure that you get the right holster for that gun light. And I like to carry and have one for it, and then also have one for without it. So when there's times that I don't want to carry it, I can easily just remove it, and then I have a different holster for my Walther when I don't need the light. So there you have it, a few different mounting solutions, how to mount your light onto your new Walther pistol, and a couple different solutions for the switches, how to manipulate it with your grip and or using the constant on.